My name is Tom Yashinsky, live in Onalaska, Wisconsin. I'm a teacher and a football coach, and I've lived here almost 20 years. The first project that we had with Phillips Outdoor Services was we needed a fence to keep our new puppy in the yard. We thought that was the best way for us to have peace of mind of knowing that our dog was secure. We knew that the level of quality and service from Phillips was to the highest standard and that we weren't going to have any regrets in terms of price, quality, maintenance of it, warranty. So those things really made us feel comfortable that it was the right company for us to work with. When the project was completed, we did a walkthrough and all the gaps were covered. There was no spots where we were worried about. And that just allowed us and our kids to know that our dog was safe, and it just added the security and peace of mind to our house and our yard that we were looking for. It's no surprise to me that a company that's been around since 1975 was able to have our fence installed and up and running in just under 2 days. They are so good at what they do. If I had a friend considering to work with Phillips Outdoor Services, I would tell them that there's no hesitation that they're the #1 company in the area, and I wouldn't even look elsewhere because of the high quality materials they're using, their customer support, and how fast they can get your job done. When you work with Phillips Outdoor Services, you can be proud knowing that not only do they provide great services, but also they're invested in the community and are looking out for the betterment of their area.